Hi everyone, we are back for a 2024 revisit of Little Donnie Walker's Car Wash in Burlington, North Carolina. These were like I don't think I mentioned in my other videos of this wash, but these were Laserwash 4000s. Wow, that arm does not sound good at all, and I think I should have pulled over a little bit more. I am now worried. That did not sound good at all. We are Presoak. That assembly does not sound good, unlike the visit I did in 2023. It did not get that at all. There are two Little Donnie Walker car wash locations, one in Graham and then one here in Burlington. There is no water coming out of the very tip of the nozzle right there. They really need to fix this thing. It does not sound good at all. So this is the second Presoak, and it is a very slow and very painful sound just to listen to. Should we transition to the high pressure rinse? Again, there is no water coming out of that tip nozzle at all. There's like none. They need to fix that. That was not the issue the last time I came here. Despite that, it is still doing a, well, pretty good pressure wash. Let's hope we can get all that ash off. We had a bonfire at our house, and ash has got everywhere, so hopefully it gets all that wet. And there's a little bit of water leaking in the ensemble. Now we got Rain-X. And it is just peeing water out of the ensemble. It missed this entire back here, yet it got everything else. Ooh, that did not sound good at all. So this probably has so far not been the greatest revisit of the system. We got Armour Professional Wax Shine. You can hear somebody else using the other pay station near the PDQ tandem. You can literally hear the high pressure rinse in the other bay. Yeah, Tri-Foam. Normally I like this, but I kind of wish they would start from the front and then to the back. We got another round of high pressure. This one appears to be weak. Same thing like it came last time. I feel like whenever it gets done with the tri-foam application, the pressure washer dies down. There's still tri-foam right there. Oh my gosh, I might actually ask for a refund if this does not get it off. Or go to another wash. My gosh. Unbelievable. It's still soap right there. This is so bad. And there's still some soap in my tailgate too. These dryers better do a good job. There is still a mixture of soap. There is still soap everywhere. Not the greatest revisit, I'm afraid. The one in Keeper Clean and Get to Build did a much better job than this. It's actually so powerful, it is shaking my truck, actually. Yeah, overall, it could have done a better job. I'm just hoping it got all the soap and water off my truck. That is what I'm hoping for. They should at least try to integrate the flash dry cycle. I have to go ahead. Well, that's all.